In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a responsive chart in Figma so you can display data clearly in your UI and dashboard designs. Start by opening your Figma project and creating a frame where you want the chart to appear. Open the Resources panel and search for a chart tool or chart component. Choose the chart type that best fits your data, such as a bar chart, line chart, or pie chart. After selecting a chart type, add it to your canvas and enter your data values. Most chart components allow you to customize labels, values, and colors. Once your chart is added, place it inside a frame and enable auto layout if needed. This helps the chart adjust more smoothly when the frame size changes. To make the chart responsive, select the chart elements and set the appropriate resizing constraints in the right sidebar. You can choose options such as fill container or scale depending on your layout needs. Adjust the colors, typography, and spacing so the chart matches the rest of your design system. Resize the parent frame to test how the chart responds and make any necessary adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully created a responsive chart in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.